Hello and welcome to Liagel Show, where we educate and entertain. Remember, I'm your tutor, Julius Joseph. In this video, we will be checking out the apportionment of overheads. Remember, this is an area which is actually most significant, very vital to the management of various organizations. So keep tuned. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment on our videos. Welcome. What is apportionment? Apportionment simply means to charge a cost center a fair share of an overhead. Remember, the overheads which are incurred for the organization as a whole must be charged to various cost centers of that particular organization. Remember, we always say that various departments in an organization should always ensure that they tend to be a profit center but not a cost center. When we talk about overheads, we will be checking our subsequent videos some of the areas based on the absorption of overheads. And remember, when you talk about absorption of overheads, this simply means the charging of overheads to the various cost units, as we will be seeing in our subsequent videos. So, what are some of the bases of apportionment? Apportionment can be based on various grounds. But remember, the choice of an appropriate basis of apportionment is really a matter of judgment that each and every organization will actually determine their best way to determine this. The only thing that actually the management should consider in most cases is that the basis of apportionment actually should be equitable, practicable, economical, reasonable, and accurate at the same time. For example, in this case, maybe an organization or a management of a certain organization may decide to maybe base the apportionment on area, for example. And overheads to which basis this basis applies, when talking about area, these can be maybe on rent, rates, maybe depreciation on building, maintenance of building, insurance of the premises, etc. At time, the organization may also base this apportionment in terms of the number of employees. Remember, this is the most crucial part, the human resource in every organization. Every organization, for it to succeed, then there must be that kind of appraisal, that kind of motivation to its employees. So when you base the apportionment on the number of employees, then the way with this basis will apply will be areas like the expenses of personnel, office, canteen, welfare of the staff, safety measures, and even supervision. Maybe another management may decide that maybe we'll base our apportionment in terms of the technical estimates. So when you base on the technical estimate, then the overheads to which these basis will apply will include areas like power consumption, maybe water, or even the steel consumption, etc. A certain organization may also decide to apportion based on the sales revenue. Remember, the success of every organization is determined by the sales revenue, and this is actually in terms of advertisement, selling, and distribution expenses, etc. Remember, this is where customers chip in. Remember, without the customers, even a business can't proceed. Customers are the most important part of any business or any organization. And they always say that quality comes first. Quality first time, quality all the time for you to retain and gain new customers. So these choices will vary from one organization to another. So a company may decide on the basis of apportioning overheads according to actually its own circumstances. So those bases that I've just given are just maybe to give you a guideline. But remember, if you need much detail on this, subscribe, and maybe if you want to reach us, our email is on the description below. Let us meet in the subsequent videos where we'll be relooking at the absorption of overhead. Thank you, and we meet in that video.